Hello, my name is Peggy. I am a Pilates instructor in Lisbon, and I want to offer you a Pilates course for beginner. It will be 6 classes. Yeah, you gradually will learn the exercises. I start with the first time with moving the spine and knowing where and how can the spine move. Yeah, you can round it, you can open it to the front, you can go side bends, you can do twists. Then the movement will be combined with the breathing, which is a really important connection. Yeah, it's important to breathe, it's important to combine the movement with the breath. And then also there will be some more challenging movements where you have to balance and you still want to keep your breath. But it's a really good possibility to step by step get to learn Pilates. And yeah, I hope you join and you enjoy. Ciao!